What's up, guys? I think I got this crap working. OBS Studio drives me nuts. I got to restart two times. I got to go. It's just Windows is absolutely the most unuser friendly thing on the planet. Half the time stuff works, half the time it doesn't. It just drives me nuts. Okay, listen, I just did this video like 3 times, so I should be better at it now. Okay, guys, this is a pretty good teaching concept here. This is called I call this the two strike rule. And this happens in day trading a lot. Okay? If this is the rule, if you stop out on the low of the move at a big turning point, and at the low of the move you get a buy setup and the market completely reverses, more than likely you found the low of the move and you get right back in. And you give it 2 chances. So I'll try to buy something into the low if I stop out, and then literally like on the candle that I stop out on, that's the low, and then I get a bottoming tail or a bullish engulfing pattern, I get right back in. And that's it. You don't keep doing that 5 times and try to buy the low 5 or 6 times. You give it 2 shots, and that's it. Not 3 times, not 4 times, 2 shots. And so that's what I think happened here. And this will happen, guys, in the model. I mean, we bought well, we sold into the high, we bought a little bit back around 18,000, a little bit lower. 7,500 broke. I said sell. We bought into the dip, didn't quite tag 10,000, but still bought really well. And then I said take some off into 16,000. We boxed them back at 13,000. I resold some at 16,000. Then I bought in again on the new high, which was a fake out. And then I bought again here at 1,300. And then, these were small buys, these last two. And then this buy in front of 10,000. If you buy in front of the big level and you risk a little bit and you stop out, that's okay. But I'm saying if the market comes right back, you just get right back in and you give it one more chance. If the low gets taken out here, then that's it. The market's got your number, and then you go to the sidelines for a while and just let the price action play out. But I did buy back into Bitcoin. I bought back into Litecoin. I call that this 2-strike rule. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys when you look at the 4-hour. All right. The right thing to do is keep tight risk, makes a new low, it runs the stop. Again, markets like to do that, like to go where the most pain is. It runs the stops, it comes whipping right back on a pretty strong move. All right, don't be afraid to get right back in. So I got right back in. My stop is going to be the low of today's move, and we'll see. We got pie up here at 14,000, 15,000. We can take some off. But this is the two-strike rule. A lot of times when I stop out or I cut my risk, it's very close to the low, and then I have no problem getting right back in. But I only give it 2 chances like that. I don't get in, stop out, get in again, get stopped out, get in again, get stopped out, get in again, get stopped out. No. If this thing doesn't want to work for me, I'm the boss, I'm in charge. If this is my security, it needs to perform, or I cut it. I fire it. If this doesn't perform here, that's it. I give it 2 chances down here, and then I'm just going to go to the sidelines and wait and let price action prove itself again. But this is 2-strike rule, get right back in. So cut my risk on Bitcoin, cut my risk on Litecoin today. I got back in on both. I'm happy with how we bounced on Binance. So didn't panic there. I really thought 8 would be the low of the move. It turned out to be pretty much exactly the case. I was on the road on the highway. Would have been a good place to buy some more right in front of Pi there. Should be probably the same on Cardano. So stay tuned, guys. I did some video here. I'm down in Miami. I got to head out here a little bit. I'll try to keep you guys posted on the Bitcoin conference, Miami Bitcoin conference. North American Miami Bitcoin Conference and the World Blockchain Forum. The full-on title. I like Cardano, how it came back to never broke the lows from the ICO. So that looks good. Didn't panic there either. Okay, guys, I'll keep you posted. Hope that helps.